What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the content. Let me know what you think of everything. Let me know what you want to see. Let's get straight into another one. So we've got the classic red and white Nike sportswear box. I'm not even going to introduce that. The sticker is what the important bit is. So it says Nike Air Max 95. We love the Air Max 95. The colorway is Anthracite Pro on Dust. Size UK 10, centimeter 29, BR 43, Euro 45, US 10. I'm not going to read the rest of the sizing, but the style code is FQ1235-002, and they're made in Indonesia. Boom. So this pair has got a few names at the moment. People are calling it all sorts of names. I haven't decided what I'm going to call them yet. I'll just call them the jewel grey or something, but you know, it is what it is. I don't really know. They're very, very similar to the OG. That's why a lot of people like these. Is really popular. They really sold out quick. Let's get straight to the bottom. So we've got the black and white. So we've got black, white, and then black and white. The rest of the midsole is black, classic OG style. The airbag is white, so across the whole thing. Then similar to the OG pairs, the greys, but you know, the other gradient, it goes dark to light, etc. But this pair, it's not like that. So we've got dark grey felt, light grey felt, dark grey felt, light grey felt, and then we've got that jewel swoosh. People prefer this to the embroidered one. I haven't made up my mind on that yet. And then on the front, we've got that grey toe box. That's similar, or is the same felt. I'm not the biggest fan of felt on an Air Max 95. Some people might hate me for that, but it is what it is. I prefer the leather pairs. Then we've got the white mesh with black behind it. The lace loops are this kind of grey. They are not white. Laces, standard white laces. 3 of them on the tongue. And then we've got a lovely Air Max logo. On the inside, it's the same thing. So the greys, all felt. Yeah, I really like this shoe, man. We love pairs with grey and white and black. You know, OG style. This is one of, you know, the better releases of the year. A lot of people will probably put these in top 3. I probably am the same. This pair, the neon, reverse neon, black neon pair, and we'll discuss the other one later, probably in another video. But yeah, I really like this pair. Let me know what you think. I really like it. Classic pair, good shoe for, to be honest, all seasons. You can wear this all around, but you do have to take care of the felt, so you have to waterproof it and stuff like that. But yeah, you know, good shoe, good clean colorway. Let me know what you think of this pair. Wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot video. And always remember to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.